In this video, we're comparing Veo 3 and Sora. Veo 3 and Sora are both AI tools used in video-related workflows, but they serve very different purposes. Veo 3 is a state-of-the-art generative AI model that transforms text or image prompts into high-definition videos. Veo 3 generates videos with built-in audio, including sound effects, ambient noise, and lip-sync dialogue. Users can specify camera movements and framing, allowing for precise control over the visual storytelling. Veo 3 accurately interprets complex prompts to create detailed, context-aware videos. To get started, create an account or log in to access Veo 3. Type a text description or upload images to describe the video you want. After that, add instructions for sound effects, dialogue, or ambient noise to enhance your video. Let Veo 3 create your video, then preview and download your AI-generated clip. Talking about the prices, it offers a basic plan for $269.9, a Plus for $449.9, and the Pro for $899.9. For monthly plans, it offers the basic plan for $29.9, the Plus plan for $49.9, and the Pro plan for $99.9. Veo 3 is available through Google's Gemini app and requires a subscription to the Google AI Pro or Ultra plan. The tool is accessible in over 70 countries and can be used on both desktop and mobile platforms. On the homepage, click on the Start Creating Now button. Here you can check the fast and normal modes along with the history. You'll get different options, either generate text to video or image to video. In the prompt box, describe the video you want to generate. For demonstration, you can give a prompt, a cinematic aerial shot of a futuristic city at sunset, flying cars zipping by, ultra-detailed buildings reflecting golden light. This prompt was chosen to highlight Veo 3's cinematic rendering, motion consistency, and scene detail. Choose the video durations as it gives these 5-second and 10-second options. You can set the video quality to the standard version or the Pro version. Then select the aspect ratio and hit the Generate Video button. Before generating, make sure to log in or sign up for your account. You can add your email address and password or continue with Google. To continue with Google, click on it and choose your Google account to continue. After creating the account, it'll show you various video quality options. In this prompt, I asked Gemini to create a cinematic aerial shot of a futuristic city at sunset, flying cars zipping by, ultra-detailed buildings reflecting golden light. It'll show you the image generated by Gemini AI on the screen. You can use the other prompts such as a close-up of a single raindrop hitting a still pond, creating perfect expanding ripples. Add that prompt to the Veo 3 website and click on Generate. Wait for the video to be processed. Once ready, preview and download your video. Sora is OpenAI's advanced text-to-video model that transforms written prompts into high-quality realistic videos. Sora enables the generation of videos up to 20 seconds long, maintaining visual fidelity and coherence with the input prompts. You can modify elements within a video, such as replacing objects or changing backgrounds. Apply artistic styles like cardboard and paper craft or film noir to your videos. ChatGPT Plus lets you explore your creativity through image and video generation. It offers up to 720p resolution and 10-second videos for $20 per month. ChatGPT Pro offers faster generations and the highest resolution, ideal for high-volume workflows. It includes up to 1080p resolution, 20-second videos, 5 concurrent generations, and watermark-free downloads for $200 per month. To create your account, click on Login and select Sora. Enter your birthday as your age is required to set up a Sora account. You'll see different images and you can create a new one by giving the prompt. You can give a prompt such as a close-up of a single raindrop hitting a still pond, creating perfect expanding ripples. You can select the aspect ratio, quality, time, duration, and variations. Hit the arrow icon to send the prompt and wait for the video to be processed. Choose the username to create videos and click on Create. In Gemini AI, you can ask to generate prompts for Sora AI. You can use the provided prompts to simply use them to generate images on Sora AI. Veo 3 is better for cinematic, professional quality videos, while Sora is better for quick, creative, and accessible content generation. These were just a few examples of what Veo 3 and Sora can do. Want to try it yourself? We've included a list of tested, high-performing prompts in the video description to get you started.